Welcome to our channel. If you're a federal government employee seeking disability retirement, follow these step-by-step instructions to navigate the application process successfully. Step 1. Determine your eligibility. You must have completed at least 18 months of creditable civilian service and be unable to perform your job duties due to a medical condition expected to last at least 1 year. Step 2. Consult with your physician to obtain comprehensive medical documentation that clearly explains your disabling condition, how it prevents you from performing your job, and the expected duration. Step 3. Notify your agency of your intent to apply for disability retirement. Your supervisor and HR office need to be informed of your plans. Step 4. Obtain the appropriate forms from the Office of Personnel Management. FERS employees use SF3107 series, while CSRS employees use SF2801 series. Step 5. Complete the applicant portion of the forms carefully and thoroughly. Provide detailed information about your medical condition and how it impacts your ability to perform your specific job duties. Step 6. Have your physician complete the medical documentation portion of the application, including SF3112D for FERS or SF2824 for CSRS, describing your condition in detail. Step 7. Request that your agency complete their portion of the application, including SF3112B for FERS, which includes supervisory documentation of your inability to perform job duties and accommodation efforts. Step 8. Submit your complete application package to your agency's HR office, who will forward it to OPM. Keep copies of everything and track your application status through OPM's retirement services. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.